So, you're moving within the same city? That's great. Shorter distance means fewer surprises. Let's walk through a few simple tips to make your city move smooth and stress-free. When you're just switching neighborhoods or crossing town, you already know the area. That's a big advantage. You can plan the best routes, avoid traffic, and choose the ideal time of day to move. Movers call this a local move. Since you're not going far, local movers usually charge by the hour, not by distance or weight. That means the more organized and efficient you are, the more money you'll save. Start by decluttering and packing early so you're ready when the movers arrive. Keep in mind, even local moves can have extra charges, things like stairs, long carry distances, or large, heavy items such as pianos or safes. It's also smart to check with your building management if you need to reserve elevators or loading areas ahead of time. Because it's a short move, you can take advantage of moving in stages, maybe bring smaller boxes first, and save the heavy lifting for moving day. Label everything clearly so unpacking is quick and easy. Always ask your mover for a written estimate that includes hourly rates, extra fees, and details about what's covered if something gets damaged. That way, there are no surprises later. And on moving day, keep the path clear, make sure doors can open fully, and have helpers or tools ready. With good planning, a same-city move can often be done in just one day. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com, and also you can email us at contactus@movers.com or call us at 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.